Okay, so here are the brakes that came on the M3. These are obviously not OEM, these are StopTech brakes, but as you can see, they are not in the greatest condition. So I kind of want to redo these and repaint these to make them pop a little bit. So that's going to be our project for today. So the first step is we're going to have to go ahead and take these calipers off so that we can paint them properly. Okay, very nice. Both calipers are now off the car. Not too bad, you know, just some tight bolts, rusty bolts, but got them off. And again, you can see they just look awful. I don't even know what the original color could have been. Black? I don't know. But yeah, so we got them off. So let's go ahead and get them cleaned up really good. This is probably going to be the most important part of the entire project, which is just making sure that they are super clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take my time doing that and making sure I'm very thorough with it. I got the calipers really cleaned up as best as I can. I mean, I also scrubbed it down a little bit and scuffed it up a little bit with a maroon Scotch-Brite pad, just to give it a bit of a rough surface for the paint to stick to. I'm losing a little bit of daylight, so I kind of want to hurry this up, but I'm just letting it dry a little bit more because I want this completely dry before I start painting it. And also, we're dripping a lot of brake fluid, so I kind of want to hurry this up before this becomes a problem. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, here is my rig that we're going to use to paint the calipers, and also the masking just to keep it away from rubber bits that we don't want paint to get into. I don't know if you can see, but I am chasing the sun. So what would be the sun? Let's find out. Let's get to painting. Okay, I got 2 dust coats on them so far. You can still see a little bit of like the original darker color because again, these are just dust coats. What I'm noticing is that the paint does go on pretty wet. So I think I'm gonna keep sticking to light coats just to make sure that I avoid any drips. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a lot of light coats just to get full coverage and no drips. All right, the calipers have dried and damn. They look good. Oh man. Don't worry about this bracket part. You're not gonna see it, so ignore that. But yeah, look at this gloss. Hold on, let me try to see if I can focus it. Woo, baby. They look good. I think the yellow is gonna really pop behind the wheels. I do have some new StopTech decals that we can put on this to kind of complete the look. So let's go ahead and put those in right now. Man, it looks so good now with the stickers. Let's go put this on the car. Okay, we are done. Well, okay, not done, but the front brakes are on, and ooh, they look so good. Check that out, check that out. All right, let's go check the other side. Whew. Oh my God, that looks so good. All right, so now that the front brakes are on, we still gotta do the rears. So let's go ahead and take care of that real quick. the rear calipers are in. They are painted, and James just helped me out with bleeding the brakes. Kind of messed up and accidentally ran the master cylinder dry, so we're dripping a lot of brake fluid. So I kind of want to hurry this up. Oh, even though we bled the brakes, probably gonna have to get someone to help me like use the computer to bleed out the rest of the system, especially the ABS. But they're in. They're a little dirty because they got dirty getting in there, but they look pretty damn good. So the true test is we're gonna take it for a quick test drive and make sure I can actually stop. But yeah, let's if you see anything else after this part of the video, that means we survived. So here we go. All right, here it is. Good news, I am alive. The brakes work. They're a little bit squishy still, but the car stopped, so that's important. I'll probably end up getting the ABS and the whole brake system bled professionally with someone that has a computer. But the car stops again, so I'm at least safe to drive it. But take a look at the yellow poking through the wheels. Looks really, really, really good. I am super stoked about this color, and I'm glad the whole thing worked out and, you know, I'm alive. Let me know what you guys think about the color of the wheels, though, because I've been debating if I want to keep the wheels this color. They're like an anthracite gunmetal gray, or change it to a different color. I was leaning a little bit more towards like a standard alloy silver, but, you know, a couple of boys have mentioned they kind of like how it looks already, so let me know what you guys think. That's it. Project complete and successful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.